To fulfill the needs of the design-savvy consumer, Napoleon Fireplaces designed the award-winning Torch Direct Vent Gas Fireplace, an ultra-modern fireplace with a slim design, featuring a reflective prism-shaped firebox. The simplicity of the single luminous flame glows with artistic character, the perfect accent for bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, offices, entranceways, hallways, bars, lounges, and waiting rooms. Ideal for both new construction and renovation projects, the Torch can easily be installed in a 2x6 wall. Optional decorative frames are available in 5 designer colors, including a rich pewter, white, red, metallic black, and steel blue finish. Exclusive optional night lights on the top and bottom of the frame accent your surroundings and add a luxurious glow. And all Napoleon fireplaces come with the President's limited lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.